form a picturesque backdrop, creating a scene straight out of a postcard. The beach is a haven for those seeking tranquility. Stroll along the shore, feeling the soft sand between your toes as you breathe in the fresh, salty air. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore creates a soothing melody, washing away the stress of everyday life. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, painting an unforgettable masterpiece over the horizon. But Tarkarli's beauty extends beyond its shoreline. The crystal-clear waters offer a glimpse into a vibrant underwater world teeming with marine life. Colorful coral reefs, home to a kaleidoscope of fish, beckon snorkelers and scuba divers to explore their hidden depths. Dolphins can often be spotted frolicking in the waves, their playful nature adding to the charm of this coastal paradise. Whether you choose to relax on the shore or delve into the underwater realm, Tarkarli's natural splendor is sure to leave you breathless. Tarkarli is not just a place to relax and soak up the sun, it's a playground for adventure seekers. The crystal-clear waters and gentle waves make it an ideal destination for a variety of water sports. Feel the adrenaline rush as you zoom across the waves on a jet ski, leaving a trail of laughter and excitement in your wake. For a more tranquil experience, try kayaking or paddleboarding. Glide along the calm waters, taking in the stunning coastal scenery at your own pace. The clear visibility allows you to observe marine life below the surface, from darting fish to graceful sea turtles. And for those who want to explore the underwater world in greater depth, scuba diving and snorkeling are a must. Tarkarli's underwater landscape is truly mesmerizing. Dive into a world of colorful coral reefs, home to a dazzling array of marine life. Schools of vibrantly colored fish dart through the coral gardens, while larger creatures like stingrays and sea turtles glide gracefully through the blue. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-timer, Tarkarli's underwater realm offers an unforgettable adventure. Back on land, embark on a thrilling jungle trek through the lush green hills that surround Tarkarli. Explore hidden waterfalls, encounter exotic birdlife, and immerse yourself in the region's natural beauty. For a different perspective, take to the skies with a parasailing adventure. Soar above the coastline, enjoying breathtaking panoramic views of the beach, the hills, and the vast expanse of the Arabian Sea. Tarkarli offers an adventure for every taste, ensuring an action-packed and unforgettable vacation. No trip to Tarkarli is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. The Konkan coast is renowned for its fresh seafood and flavorful curries, and Tarkarli is no exception. Imagine savoring a plate of freshly caught fish, grilled to perfection with a sprinkle of local spices, as you watch the sunset over the Arabian Sea. Malvani cuisine, the local specialty, is a tantalizing blend of spicy, tangy, and coconut-based flavors. Don't miss out on the Malvani fish curry, a fiery and aromatic curry made with freshly ground spices and coconut milk. For those who prefer vegetarian fare, there are plenty of options to choose from, including lentil-based dishes, vegetable curries, and flavorful rice preparations. Be sure to try the Sol Kadi, a refreshing drink made with kokum fruit, coconut milk, and a blend of spices. This tangy and slightly sweet drink is the perfect way to cool down on a hot day. And for dessert, indulge in some amras, a sweet mango pulp traditionally enjoyed during the summer months. From beachside shacks serving up simple yet delicious seafood to local restaurants offering a more refined dining experience, Tarkarli has something to satisfy every palate. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. The friendly locals are always happy to recommend their favorite dishes and share their love of Malvani cuisine. So come hungry and prepare to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Just a short boat ride from the shores of Tarkarli lies a testament to Maharashtra's rich history. Sindhudurg Fort. This majestic sea fort, built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the 17th century, stands as a proud reminder of the Maratha Empire's maritime prowess. As you approach the fort, its imposing structure, rising from the sea, is a sight to behold. Ferry boats transport visitors to the fort, offering stunning views of the coastline and the surrounding waters. Once on the island, explore the fort's ramparts, marvel at its intricate carvings, and imagine the lives of the soldiers who once guarded its walls. The fort's strategic location and robust construction made it virtually impregnable, a testament to the architectural ingenuity of the time. Within the fort's walls, you'll find temples dedicated to various deities, Including a temple, the fort's courtyards and passageways, you can almost hear the echoes of history whispering through the stones. A visit to Sindhudurg Fort is not just a historical excursion, it's a journey back in time. It's an opportunity to connect with the legacy of the Maratha Empire and appreciate the courage and resilience of those who defended its shores. As you sail back to Tarkarli, the silhouette of the fort against the setting sun will surely leave a lasting impression, a reminder of the enduring spirit of history. Beyond the allure of its beaches and historical sites, Tarkarli offers a glimpse into the simple life of a traditional Indian village. Step away from the shore and venture into the heart of the village, where life moves at a slower, more relaxed pace. Here, you'll encounter the true essence of Tarkarli, its warm hospitality, and its rich cultural tapestry. Stroll through the narrow lanes, lined with colorful houses adorned with intricate Rangoli designs. The air is filled with the aroma of spices wafting from kitchens, while the sound of children's laughter echoes through the streets. Engage with the friendly locals, known for their welcoming smiles and genuine warmth. Experience the local way of life firsthand by visiting the bustling village market. Here, you'll find a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and smells. From fresh produce and seafood to traditional handicrafts and spices, the market offers a glimpse into the daily routines and flavors of the region. Don't be afraid to haggle for the best prices and enjoy the lively banter that is an integral part of the market experience. In the evenings, witness the vibrant culture of Tarkarli come alive through traditional folk dances and music performances. The Gondal and Jagran are popular forms of entertainment, characterized by energetic dances, rhythmic drumming, and soulful singing. These performances offer a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage, passed down through generations. Immerse yourself in the rhythm of village life, and you'll discover the true heart of Tarkarli. While Tarkarli Beach is undoubtedly the main attraction, the surrounding area offers a wealth of experiences to enhance your trip. Just a short drive away lies the sleepy village of Devbagh, another hidden gem on the Konkan coast. Known for its pristine beaches, mangrove forests, and tranquil backwaters, Devbagh is the perfect place to escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. Embark on a boat trip through the backwaters, where you'll glide past dense mangrove forests, home to a variety of birdlife. Keep an eye out for kingfishers, herons, and other exotic species that call this ecosystem home. For a truly unique experience, opt for a homestay in Devbagh, where you can live with a local family and experience their way of life firsthand. Another popular excursion from Tarkarli is a visit to the Tarkarli Fort, located across the border in Goa. This 17th century fort, perched on a hillock at the mouth of the Tarkarli River, offers stunning views of the Arabian Sea and the surrounding coastline. Today, the fort houses a heritage hotel, offering a unique blend of history and luxury. For those seeking spiritual solace, a visit to the ancient Sri Nageshwar temple, located near Tarkarli, is a must. This temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples in India and holds immense religious significance. The temple's intricate carvings, peaceful ambiance, and spiritual aura make it a place of tranquility and reflection. Getting to Tarkarli is easier than you might think. The nearest airport is Dabolim Airport in Goa, approximately 140 kilometers from Tarkarli. From the airport, you can hire a taxi or take a bus to reach your destination. If you prefer to travel by train, the nearest railway station is Kudal, which is well connected to major cities in Maharashtra and Goa. Tarkarli offers a range of accommodation options to suit every budget. From cozy guest houses and homestays to luxury resorts, you'll find the perfect place to rest and rejuvenate. For those seeking a truly authentic experience, consider staying in a beach hut right on the shore, where you can fall asleep to the sound of the waves and wake up to breathtaking sunrise views. The best time to visit Tarkarli is during the winter months, from October to March, when the weather is pleasantly cool and dry. The monsoon season, from June to September, transforms the region into a lush green paradise. But it's best to avoid this time if you're looking for beach activities. Pack light, comfortable clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and unforgettable moments of your Tarkarli adventure. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a cultural immersion, Tarkarli has something to offer every traveler. So, start planning your escape today and get ready to experience the magic of Maharashtra's hidden coastal paradise. Tarkarli Beach is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. From the moment you step onto its pristine shores, you'll be captivated by its beauty, its tranquility, and its charm. Imagine yourself strolling along the white sandy beach, the cool breeze whispering through your hair as you gaze out at the endless horizon. Picture yourself diving into the crystal clear waters, exploring a vibrant underwater world teeming with life. Envision yourself indulging in the flavors of Malvani cuisine, each bite a burst of exotic spices and fresh ingredients. Tarkarli is a place where time slows down, where worries fade away, and where you can simply be present in the moment. It's a place to relax, recharge, and rediscover the simple joys of life. So why wait? Answer the call of Tarkarli and embark on an unforgettable journey to Maharashtra's hidden coastal paradise. Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Tarkarli. The pristine beaches, the azure waters, the lush greenery, the rich culture, and the warm hospitality await you. Tarkarli is calling, and your adventure begins now.